Oh my God. Who left this here? This is Thomas' train. Oh no, this is completely ruined. The inside is in terrible condition. This is badly damaged. We will have to take it to the garage and rebuild it completely.
Send a helicopter now and bring a long truck into the jungle. We must take this train to the garage fast. Clean it completely, remove all rust, fix every single part properly. The wheels are clearing. This rust is stubborn, but we're getting there. This moss is stubborn, but it has to come off completely. Keep at it, lads. The shine is really coming through. It's gleaming, boss. Perfect. That's the Thomas we know. Wipe it down clean every inch.
It's shining, boss.
Perfect. Lock the levers tight. Locked in. This cabin looks absolutely new now. We brought it back to life. This anti-rust coat will protect Thomas for years before painting. Now the frame is perfectly clean and ready for the next restoration step. These bolts will lock the structure tight and make Thomas strong again. Now the body is solid again, strong enough to last for years. These panels have to come off so we can fix the core properly. This soot has been choking the boiler for years. It needs to come off completely. These pipes were completely blocked. Now airflow and pressure will finally work again. Now these pistons are perfectly smooth. The engine will run powerful and silent again. These new seals will stop all leaks and keep the engine pressure strong again. Now the steam rods are back in place. The wheels will move smoothly again. These valves must be perfectly tight so the steam pressure stays strong and safe. Now the engine will run smoothly and stay protected from heat and friction. Now the wheels are perfectly aligned so the train will run smooth and stable. The whole mechanism is shining like new and running perfectly smooth now. We have lifted Thomas safely. Now we can repair everything underneath properly. Years of mud are finally coming off. Now the real metal is visible. These axles carried decades of dirt. Now they'll shine like new again. This rust stayed deep in the metal, but we're bringing it back strong and smooth. This coating will protect the frame for decades. No rust will return. Now the brake system is rebuilt. Strong, smooth, and ready to stop safely. The suspension springs are cleaned and mounted. Now the train will run smooth and stable. These bolts lock the whole train together. Now Thomas is strong again. The final wipe, and Thomas looks brand new again. From front wheels to the last axle, the whole underside is factory clean again. Every layer comes off slowly. Soon the metal will breathe new life again. Now the surface is smooth, ready for a fresh new life. Every grain is gone. The metal is finally pure and clean. This primer seals the body. Now it's ready for its new life. First blue coat going on, the transformation has officially begun. The full body is shining now. Every inch is perfectly smooth. This second layer brings the real depth. Now the color is strong and perfect. The final coat is on. Now Thomas looks brand new again. The heat is curing the paint. The shine is locking in perfectly. The front face is restored. Now Thomas looks alive again. The new headlamp is on. Bright, strong, and ready for the rails again. Every cabin part is going back carefully. Soon this train will feel brand new inside. These steam pipes are clean and strong again. Now power will flow perfectly through the engine. Every wheel is now perfectly clean, ready to roll safely on the tracks. Each inch is wiped clean. Now the body sparkles like new. All windows are crystal clear. Now you can see inside every detail of the cabin. Every bolt is aligned perfectly. The structure is rock solid now. All panels are closed gently. The body is now fully restored and complete. Thomas is rolling again, fully restored and stronger than ever. Listen to that engine. Smooth, strong, and alive again. Perfect pressure, smooth steam. She's running beautifully now. Look at those wheels. Smooth, clean, and perfectly restored. Hear that engine? Smooth, steady, and strong. He's smiling again, fully restored and stronger than ever. From rust to rebirth, Thomas stands alive again.
This is the ending. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, car restoration lovers. Aha!